Hey everyone, it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, Happy New Year's. I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's Eve. I know it took a while for me to post my first video of the year, but here I am with a hair tutorial since I haven't done that in literally so long, and I decided to get back into the whole hair thing. If you guys have been with me for a while, I literally had dark hair like this, then I had a balayage, I was platinum blonde, I was stupid enough to box dye my hair red, then I bleached it back to blonde again, and at that point my hair was literally thin and broken. Right now it's still broken, but I decided just to go dark to let it grow out again and kind of like a refresher. But today I'm going to show you how I get these big messy curls. I've been loving my hair like this lately. I've always been the girl who wanted big curly hair, but yeah, I have literally the straightest hair in the world. So if you guys want to know how I got this hair, just keep on watching. Alright, so I just took my hair out of a bun. It's a literal mess right now, but that's okay. So I'm just going to start off by using some heat protectant. I'm using the John Frieda Full Repair Heat Activating Styling Spray. It's literally all I got right now, so I'm just going to spray that all over my hair. And I'm just going to let that dry. And the curling iron I'm using today is this Irresistible Me Sapphire Wand. It comes with, I think, like 10 different sizes, so I used one of this. It's, I think, the second smallest one. So yeah, this is the one I'm going to use. I think it's like ½ an inch. So I'm going to put my hair in the center. It's basically already parted. And then I'm just going to section things off. So I'm just going to take like that much. Then I'm just going to start from the back. So at the back I'm going to be alternating curls where I go in and out, and in the front I'm just going to make sure that they go outwards. Then I'm just going to take like a 1 inch section like so. With the curling one I'm going to put it as close to the roots as possible, and then the first one I'm just going to curl outwards. Oops. And make sure to get the very ends of your hair too, so you want to make sure the entire piece is curly and the ends aren't straight. Then I'm just going to hold it there to let it cool down a little bit. That's one curl. Then I'm going to go inwards for the second section. And again, as close to the roots as possible, and make sure you get the ends of your hair as well. I'll hold it in for like 7 seconds, kind of guess. And then I let it drop into my hands to let it cool down a little bit. I'm just going to do the rest outwards. And literally the exact same thing. At the back I'm going to alternate going inwards and outwards, and closer to the front here I'm just going to put it all outwards. Alright, so that is the first layer. I'm just going to let that cool down before we start separating the curls. So right now it's like super tight and bouncy, as you can see. And I'm literally going to be doing this for the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to speed forward to the rest of the video until I get to the top, and then I will explain how I did the top. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull you up. Okay, now everything is done except for the top. So from the top, instead of just going to the middle part right over here, I'm gonna take half of it from the back and just curl the back section, and I'm just going to tie this one away for now. And from the back, I'm not going to split it to like the left and right. I'm just going to curl it as is. So I'm going to start from this side over here. And making sure I'm as close to the roots as possible. Doing this ensures that the back is all curled and it isn't straight or anything. So it gives the fullest effect. Okay, so for the very last section, this part, I'm just going to section it right in the center or wherever you want your part to be at. You know what? I think this is the look. That's all we gotta do. Like, we should just keep it straight like this. I think it's a look. Okay, so for these two sections, I'm just going to curl them outwards. Again, I'm just going to take the smallest sections and curl as close to the roots as possible without burning your scalp. This is basically done, and it looks kind of messy right now. Like, it looks literally crazy, but I just made sure that the hair is curled as close to the roots as possible. And then now I'm just going to take the curls and just kind of separate them just a bit to make it more voluminous. And I'm literally just taking like random curls and just separating them. Kind of just shaking it up with my hands. And I don't use any hairspray or anything because I like to have the curls kind of like loosen up throughout the day. And when I usually do this, it would last me like literally 3 days. Since I wash my hair like once or twice a week, this will basically last me until my next hair wash. Okay, after shaking my hair out for a bit and separating the curls and stuff, the reason why I like to put in the middle part is that when I do flip it over to one side, it makes it very voluminous. And that's usually how I like to wear it. Just flip it on one side and then tuck this behind my ear. I've been wearing this quite a bit and my hair literally lasts so long in these curls, and throughout the days it looks a lot better too since it does loosen out a little bit. It looks very natural, and I was always a girl who always wanted curly hair, so yeah, this is the best I can do with it without getting like a perm because my hair is literally already dead and broken. That's basically it for my big curly hair tutorial. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon.